Hello everybody, welcome to Living on Gadgets. In this clip video, I would like to show you how to program the Engino E30 by using a software. As you know, the way to program this can be done by manually or using a software from a computer. So you need to have a computer and also a software which is a KEIRO. KEIRO is a software that provided from Engino Education. To download that, you just go to Google and then type Engino KEIRO download. This is a free software. The search result, you just select the first one. It will bring you to Engino website and you will see the KEIRO down here. Just select the one that's compatible with your operating system. After that, install it. Once you open it, it will check the internet connection. After that, it maybe need to be updated, or you just go without updating. So the selecting model window will pop up and you select E30 because you are now using E30. You want to program E30 now, and the main window program will pop up. This is the main window that you will be programming for download to Engino controller. I would like you to separate these to three areas and a menu bar. The menu bar is the common for every software. There are setting buttons for setting, open button for open the previous program, the save button for saving your program, and the new buttons for generating the new programming area. And the next two buttons is for send and receive a program, and the next one is the red and green dot indicator, which is for indicate that if the USB connection is available or not. And the last one is battery indicator for indicating the battery level. The third area is the area that important because in this area you need to tell the controller that which hardware physically connected to which port of the controller. Next one is the second area, which is the area for you to generate the code, write out your idea down to this area, and it will be compiled and sent to the controller. The way to write out the code here is block-based programming. It will start from the first block, say start, the yellow one right there, and then put the command down below one by one to let the controller know what to do in a step. The controller will process each command from top to bottom and then end the program. The last one is the first area. The first area is action blocks bar. This area will give you all of the tools that you may need to use to generate your code into the second area. So I will explain it and give you an example as much as possible. Let's start from the output of this Engino E30 control system. So far you know that there are two output devices is physically can be connected to the controller, but actually there are also two more output devices that internally connect to the controller, which are a buzzer and idle time. And at the time maybe you can call it delay because it is for delaying the program. I will give you an example of how to control an LED to turn on for 1 second and then turn off. You have to go to the simulator In this simulator, you want to control the LED, and you want to connect this LED to the port 1. You have to select the LED and put it down right here. After that, select the LED and connect this to the start. So, selecting the port, it is connected to the port 1. So you select the 1 and select this option. Set that on for duration. For example, 1 second. Okay. Now let's see the hardware. This is the controller, and you want to control the LED connecting to this first one, this port 1. Use the cable, connect to this, and then use this connecting to red LED, and to program it, we need to use this USB cable and connect here. After that, just turn it on. After you turn it on, you will be able to download it. But here it said red dot, mean that it isn't connected yet. So just press this one. It start connecting. Once it already connected, you will see the send and receive button pop-ups here. Okay, to send the program from the computer to the controller, just press this send button. So the KEIRO will compile and send the code to the controller, and then you can press play. Then you see that LED turn on for 1 second. So this is the way to control the LED. Okay, go back to the software. If you want the LED to turn on for 1 second and then turn off for 1 second, we need to use this idle term. If you want it to turn off for 1 second and after that turn on for 2 seconds, so you need to connect the LED block again and selecting the time to 2 seconds here. After that, just send the program. Oh, don't forget to selecting the port here to 1. Okay, then send the program. After send it, press play. 1 second, and this is 2 seconds. On for 1 second, and then off for 1 second, and then on again for 2 seconds, and then off, and end of program. This is the way how to program the LED. If you want to change this LED to the third port, for example, this is port 3. Let's go back to the program. You will be selecting these 2, 3, but it can't be done because you need to take the LED to here first. to physically tell the controller that this hardware is connected to the port 3. Then you can select this to 3, also this one 3, and then send the program here. After send it, press play here. Okay, that is okay. If you want to control more LED, for example, selecting this screen, connect to port 1. If I like to turn on this LED for 1 second and then turn off and then turn on this LED for 1 second. How to do it? Let's go back to the software. Right now we have 2 LED connect to port 1 and port 3. So you need to select one more LED to be right here. Okay. In the program, the LED that is connected to port 3, I want to turn on for 1 second, which is right here, and turn off for 1 second, and then LED green one connected to port 1 to turn on for 1 second. Just put it right here. And then I just send the program. And then I press play. Okay. So that's it. This is the basic of how to program LED. Thank you for watching.